Hey, fellow campers! Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 favorite knives for camping adventures. From practicality to durability, we'll explore the best companions for your outdoor escapades. Plus, don't forget to check out the links in the description for today's prices. Let's gear up and get ready for some camping fun. 1. Opinel ONeal, best for cooking. The Opinel 10 stands out for its superior feel in hand, unmatched sharpness, and versatility. However, a notable drawback is the questionable locking mechanism's quality, evident from a concerning play in the fully locked position, allowing the blade to expose its tip. This flaw persists even in brand new knives, as reported by users. Despite this, many praise its excellent build quality and functionality, describing it as a light, sharp, and effective tool for various tasks. Some users find the larger size, No 10, a welcome addition, ideal for camp cooking and everyday carry. Opinions on design and aesthetics vary. While some appreciate the classic and elegant look, others criticize the handle's width and overall appearance. Some reviewers express disappointment in the absence of a locking mechanism, deeming it cheaply made and prone to dulling. However, positive reviews highlight the Opinel 10's affordability, making it a suitable choice for light tasks and a timeless, pocket-friendly gift. Ultimately, the Opinel 10 impresses with its simple, practical, and elegant design, yet opinions diverge on its locking mechanism and overall suitability for various uses. 2. Morakniv Garberg, best for survival. The Mora Garberg carbon steel knife has proven to be an exceptional tool for wood processing and bushcraft tasks. Its sharp blade, coupled with a spine suitable for scraping and fire starting, demonstrates versatility. The carbon steel composition adds durability, generating sparks for fire ignition with a ferro rod. While some users appreciate the additional mole multi-mount version, others express frustration at its absence on the Amazon page, leading to potential extra costs. Customers highlight the knife's Swiss-made quality, labeling it as the best value for survival knives. The option for various mounting sheaths and fire kit accessories adds to its practicality. Despite some dissatisfaction with the sheath and edge sharpness out of the box, users praise its overall functionality, robustness, and balance. The Mora Garberg's full tang design receives acclaim for its weight and sturdiness, making it suitable for throwing with substantial force. The knife's performance in bushcraft activities and its sharpness make it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. While a few customers mention concerns about rust and sheath issues, the majority appreciate its ruggedness and excellent value. In summary, the Mora Garberg carbon steel knives stands out for its robustness, functionality, and versatility, making it a reliable companion for various outdoor activities. 3. Benchmade Bugout, best lightweight. The Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 V2 folding knife with black carbon fiber elite handle has garnered mixed reviews from users. While some praise its compact size, lightweight design, and sharp blade, others express disappointment in its perceived cheap quality and high price point. Some users find the gravery handles less appealing, feeling they lack durability and substance. There are instances of users needing to invest additional effort in smoothing out the knife's action, suggesting potential quality control issues. The knife's XS locking mechanism receives positive remarks for its reliability and ease of use, but the recessed thumb studs and stiffness of the pocket clip are points of contention. Despite criticisms, loyal Benchmade enthusiasts appreciate the brand's commitment to quality craftsmanship, evident in precise fit and finish, blade centering, and overall build. While some users believe the Mini Bugout justifies its premium price, others argue that comparable knives with similar features can be found at a more reasonable cost from other manufacturers. 4. Morakniv Kansbol, best budget. The Morakniv Kansbol receives mixed reviews, with some users praising its versatility and sharpness, while others express disappointment in certain aspects. Some find the handle's quality lacking, describing it as cheap, and express discomfort with the blade's unconventional angle. Rust and pitting issues have been reported, even when stored in dry conditions, raising concerns about the knife's durability. On the positive side, the knife's mole-compatible sheath proves convenient for outdoor activities, attaching easily to backpacks. Users appreciate its sharpness out of the box and its effectiveness in various tasks, from carving to campfire preparation. The Kansbol's performance in splitting tinder and woodwork is commended, with its thin design suitable for intricate tasks. However, critiques extend to the sheath design, with some finding it prone to issues like the knife falling out, diminishing the otherwise robust and practical nature of Morakniv sheaths. Despite diverse opinions, the knife's affordability, lightweight build, and sharpness make it an appealing option for those seeking a versatile, budget-friendly camping companion. 5. Becker Kar Harpoon, best for bushcraft. The small fixed-blade knife in question proves its worth with a sharp edge and remarkable durability, standing up well to various applications. While folding knives may offer convenience, this blade excels in everyday tasks, from cooking and cleaning game to serving as a reliable field knife. The 4-to-1/2-inch blade strikes a balance, excelling in one-pass cuts but being slightly long for tight spaces during cleaning. Crafted with a comfortable handle, the knife garners praise for its ergonomic design. The sheath, though not exceptional, is deemed durable, and the blade's sharpness straight out of the box adds to its appeal. Some users note the knife's effectiveness in survival situations, showcasing its versatility. However, opinions diverge on handle size, with some finding it secure and others desiring a more substantial grip. Despite a few critiques, the knife receives consistent acclaim for its overall quality, with users commending its sharpness, style, and suitability for diverse tasks. The product's reputation for durability and performance aligns with its standing as a reliable and well-designed tool, meeting the expectations of outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Thanks for watching my top 5 camping knife picks. If you want to grab one for your outdoor adventures, check the links in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear recommendations and camping tips. Happy camping!